pretend you're in a forest. Like a bunch of cars, like trees. And you're on an adventure. Ow. Just on that adventure. And go. Slow down. By the way, this video is called Nature Run, sponsored by Zoombox Entertainment. It actually isn't even sponsored by anything, it's just Zoombox Entertainment. Yep. What's happening? Now you're going into a dark hole. It's scary. Whoa. I don't want to fall. I'm dog. Just kidding. You won't die. Of course not. Now, you need to come back. Or else something will happen. I don't know. Okay. You're coming back out to the more friendly part. Everything is sunshines and rainbows. And everybody loves sunshine and rainbows. Because sunshine and rainbows are sunshine and rainbowy. Maybe we should start running. Because there's a bunch of wolves behind you. Run! Unless you want to die. And I wouldn't want to die if I were you, so go down. You're awesome. You're doing good. You're gonna live. It's gonna be good, man. It's gonna be good. Okay, let's go around. Whatever you do, don't slip and fall. Follow me. No? Okay, you're doing good, so doing really good. And now, you're safe. You're coming to an entrance. And you are safe. There's a helicopter. You will be alright. Right? I'm it right out.